Imagine this, sipping coffee on a sunny porch, retired, stress-free, with a bank account that lets you live life on your terms. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. That dream starts today with smart investing for your old age. So, grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this life-changing guide on how to invest wisely for old age. A tutorial that'll stay evergreen and transform your financial future. Step 1. Start early, win big. The secret sauce to a wealthy retirement? Time. The earlier you start investing, the more your money grows through the magic of compound interest. Picture this. If you invest $5,000 at age 25 with an 8% annual return, by age 65, that could balloon to over $70,000. Wait until 35, and it's half that. Pro tip. Start small, but start now. Open a retirement account like a 401k or IRA and automate contributions. Every dollar you invest today is a seed for your future wealth. Step 2. Diversify, like a pro. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, unless you want a financial omelet disaster. Diversification spreads risk across different assets. Think stocks, bonds, real estate, and even index funds. Index funds are a beginner's best friend. They track the market, have low fees, and historically deliver solid returns. Want to spice it up? Add some dividend-paying stocks for passive income. Hook. Imagine getting paid just for owning shares. Yes, that's real. Check the link in the description for digital marketing products to grow your wealth online. Step 3. Know your risk tolerance. Investing isn't one size fits all. Are you a thrill seeker or a play it safe type? Younger folks can afford to take risks with growth stocks. Think tech giants or startups. Closer to retirement? Shift to safer bets like bonds or fixed income funds. Quick tip, use the 100 minus your age rule. If you're 30, put 70% in stocks, 30% in bonds. Adjust as you age. This keeps your portfolio balanced and your stress levels low. Step 4. Embrace low-cost investing. Fees can eat your wealth like termites. High-cost mutual funds with 2% annual fees might sound small, but over decades, they devour your returns. Stick to low-cost options like ETFs or index funds with fees under 0.5%. Hook. Why pay more when you can keep more? Your future self will thank you. And hey, don't forget to like and share this video to spread the wealth-building wisdom. Step 5. Plan for the long haul. Investing for old age isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay consistent, even when markets wobble. Crashes happen. Think 2008 or 2020. But history shows markets recover. Don't panic sell. Stay invested. Set up automatic investments to ride out the dips. Pro tip. Review your portfolio yearly, but don't obsess. Keep your eyes on the prize. A comfortable retirement. Step 6. Protect your wealth. As you near retirement, safeguard your gains. Shift toward fixed income assets like bonds or annuities for steady cash flow. Consider long-term care insurance. Healthcare costs can skyrocket in old age. And don't skip an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account keeps you secure. Hook. Want to sleep soundly knowing your wealth is safe? That's the power of planning. Step 7. Stay educated and adapt. The financial world evolves. Stay sharp. Read books like The Intelligent Investor, follow trusted financial blogs, and watch channels like this one. Hit that subscribe button. Tax laws, markets, and opportunities change, so adjust your strategy. Pro tip. Explore digital marketing tools to create side income streams. Check the link in the description for game-changing products to boost your wealth online. Call to action. Your golden years can be golden with these steps. Start early, diversify, know your risk, keep costs low, stay consistent, protect your wealth, and keep learning. Hook. Don't let retirement sneak up on you. Take control today. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more wealth building tips. Want to supercharge your financial journey? Click the link in the description for digital marketing products that'll help you grow wealth online. Here's to a rich, worry-free retirement. Let's make it happen.